I felt the feeling that I'm not alone before I saw anyone. And then I turned and I saw a person very close to me like there. But the feeling I got looking at that person was they were wearing But the feeling I got looking at that person was they were wearing animal hides. And there was one person with a bag like woven and stuff, carrying something, but holding it and looking family there at me. And then I looked quickly aside, out of fear. When I looked back, I did not see them.